What's going on? Welcome back to another edition of Chef Anthony's Kitchen. What we are making today is Anthony's Wild and Crazy Shrimp. Let me show you how we do it. Start off with a little bit of olive oil. Just enough just to coat the bottom of the pan. You see we got our pan on 5. Go ahead and let that get a little steam. There you go. Got it steamy in here. It's gonna get hot. Now that we got the pan hot, we're gonna add our diced up garlic and our fresh onion. Add the rest of this onion right here. Oh, wish you guys were here to smell this. My goodness. We got it cooking right there. Just enough so the garlic turns a little brown. Now it's time we add our shrimp, unseasoned, but yet deveined. Hot. Let our shrimp sitting there marinating the onion and garlic for a while. Maybe about a minute and a half, 2 minutes. We're gonna go in and start seasoning. As you all see, I have a plethora of options to season it with. Just gonna keep it simple. Salt, pepper. That's good right there. And a little bit of salt. Stir that around a little bit. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, baby. That smells good. I like my silver spatula better. Never lets me down. A little bit more. Now we're going to add our well-seasoned tomato paste mixed with a little bit of tomato sauce. Mix that around. You can let this simmer for about 4 to 5 minutes. Take it a lot thicker than that. If you like it juicy, put over a little bit of rice, a little bit of pasta. And that's how you make Chef Anthony's Wild and Crazy Pasta. Check me out next time.